everybody, welcome back. Today I've got a really small little unboxing for you guys, and this is something from Tiffany & Co that I recently got. It's not some massive thing, okay? If you click the thumbnail and thought it was like some massive thing, you'll be disappointed. It's just a tiny little item. But anyway, I'm so sorry about that intro just now. My friend and I, we were watching this a bunch of this ASMR videos, and to be honest, we don't get it. We don't get the trend of, you know, we were watching this girl, she was like, has this big microphone, this Yeti microphone in front, and she was going like, "Hi everybody, today, how are you?" And she was scraping the mic with a comb, and she's like, "Yes, tomorrow we will go there, yes." Me and my best friend were watching it like amused because we don't get it. I swear to you, we don't get it. Like, is it some kind of you know, you get this tingly feeling? We understand the concept, which is kind of like she was explaining to me, my best friend was explaining to me, it's like, you know, when you pop bubble wrap, you like pop pop pop, and you get this really nice feeling at the back. You know, you just like that feeling. You like the sound, like pop 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 pop, and it gives that kind of audio sensory, you know, you just feel it. You feel good when you hear certain sounds. But we were listening to this girl, and she had this big mic, and she was like scraping it with her nails, and like, you know, taking a broom, and she was like going like, not a broom, sorry, a comb, and she's like, it was a little bit weird. Okay, so anyway, I was trying to do that. I was trying to do this. Okay, getting on to this unboxing. Now, if you're new to my channel, I'm not so weird, okay? It's just that I was really tickled by that. Alright, here we go. So, it is new. I haven't opened it, and I was actually thinking about doing a collective haul, but I haven't been buying like a lot of, well, no, I shouldn't say that. I have been buying a lot of things. I just like did an unboxing for my shoes, but you know what I mean. I haven't been like buying spree. I haven't been on a buying spree for makeup, but not on my high-end stuff. So I got this because I actually want to wear it. So I'm gonna quickly unbox it. So this is what it is. Okay, so this is the box, and it comes in this little receipt. This is the receipt, and this is the receipt. Let me just quickly take a look. Okay, that's the receipt. So this is the box. I haven't unboxed it, and let's open it now. Ooh! Okay, comes in a little baggie. That's the care card, and it is just a simple... Oh, where it is? Okay, there it is. It's a simple bracelet that I purchased. This is the return to Tiffany, but it's the new one with the enamel blue. Now, I already have one here, so I'm going to wear both of them to show you. So I have, okay, I've got my rubber band. I've got, I always have this nomination bracelet that I wear all the time. I got from my best friends when I was 21, and I already have one of the bracelets, but this comes with the heart shape, and I was inspired by another YouTuber. I can't remember her name right now, but I'll put her name right here. I was inspired by her to stack these kinds of bracelets. So she had a few on her arm, and I really liked the look. She bought, like, I think the one with the ribbon and the ones with the hearts and all, and she had the circle heart and all, and I think she wears like 2 or maybe 3 of them. Let me just wear this first. Gosh, it is so hard to wear. You need like 2 hands, or sorry, you need 3 hands. 1 hand to wear, 2 hands to hold it. Oh gosh, wait. Yeah, success! 2 hours later. Okay, so let me just get this ugly rubber band away. So I actually want to stack up a few of these bracelets because when I saw it on her hand, I really liked it. I thought it looked, yeah, it looks nice. So I have been on the hunt for another one. So the one that I have is a heart, and then I've got this one which is a circle but with the enamel blue. I think it's really nice. I will pull it close up and you guys can see. I'm gonna stack up 3 of these bracelets. The third one that I'm thinking about getting is the one with the ribbon, but they were out of stock, so I decided to go with the one with the blue because, yeah, just a pop of color, though you can't really see it unless I kind of turn and then you see the pop of blue here. Yeah, so anyway, that's my really quick little unboxing. I haven't bought a lot of Tiffany and Co items lately. The last item that I got, wait, let me look for it. The last item that I got for my birthday are these ball earrings that my husband bought for me. See? They're cute, right? I don't wear them so often because they are fairly big and they do weigh a little bit. You know, they do weigh quite a bit. So I wear them for special occasions or, you know, just, yeah. Aren't they cute? Oh my goodness, they're so cute. So these are the last items that I've got from Tiffany and Co. So anyway, that is my really quick unboxing. I just wanted to share this with you rather than put it in a collective haul and then, you know, I'll kind of forget about it and just open it and use it. I'm going to be using it now, so from my videos from today, you will be seeing me with 2 bracelets. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this really short video. Till my next one, you guys take care. Bye!